I'm a 3D metrology engineer and welcome to our YouTube channel Think 3D. In this video, I will give a brief idea on 3D scanning. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. So what is 3D scanning? 3D scanning is a process of collecting three-dimensional data of an object and converting it into a digital form. This three-dimensional data can be the shape, form, geometry or color of the object. Any digitizer which converts this physical data into a digital form is considered as a 3D scanner. Now let's look into the history of 3D scanning. 3D scanning has its roots in the ancient Egyptian period where this three-dimensional data was collected in the form of molds, but this data was never digitalized. So taking digitalization into consideration, 3D scanning was first evolved in the 19th century where photogrammetry was used to collect this three-dimensional data. So later in 20th century, the contact probe technology was used to collect this three-dimensional data by recording millions of points on the object. And later on in the late 20th century, optical technology was evolved and the scanning process became much easier and faster. Now, if you see to the applications of 3D scanning has its applications in almost every industry, which include aerospace, defense, architecture, archaeology, automobile, medical, dental, and this list goes on. Now, these 3D scanning applications can be broadly classified into three kinds. Those are inspection, reverse engineering, and visualization. When it comes to inspection and reverse engineering, all production-based industries use 3D scanning to make their quality control and aftermarket production processes much more easier. When it comes to visualization, CGI, VR, AR and animation industries use this 3D scanning technology to make their 3D designing process much more easier and faster. Now let's see to the various technologies in 3D scanning. 3D scanning has a wide variety of technologies to capture this three-dimensional data, of which the most popular technologies are structured light technology, laser light technology, time of